2 vegetables, 1 elegant dish. Peel the eggplant and slice it into thick rounds. Slice the tomatoes into thick round. Heat a grill pan and add a drizzle of olive oil. Once the grill pan is hot, add the eggplant rounds one by one. Sprinkle with salt and black pepper. Once well browned, flip the eggplant over. Add garlic. Drizzle olive oil. Once cooked, remove from the pan. Drizzle with olive oil and cook the tomatoes using the same method. To make the coriander oil, chop the cilantro. Add olive oil and blend until smooth. Place the eggplant on top of the tomato slices. Strain the oil through a fine mesh strainer. Transfer to a plate for presentation. Top with a dollop of cream cheese. Garnish the top with baby peppers. Finish with a drizzle of the green oil. Garnish with edible flowers and coriander for a final flourish. Lightly sprinkle with pepper powder for a touch of color. Enjoy your delicious grilled eggplant and tomato stack. A vibrant and flavorful appetizer, ready to enjoy. Tried this dish? Let me know what you think in the comments. Your support means the world to me.